We're on our way right now to Roosevelt Field to get BLEU DE CHANEL Parfum. So come with. Thank you very much, motorcycle. Thank you. I'm here in Roosevelt Field. Roosevelt Field is gorgeous. It's like my favorite mall to be in. Anyway, we're going to get this fragrance right now. Hopefully it doesn't break the bank. I don't know what size they're selling it at. All I know is that I need it. $165 later. Are you kidding me? But we're here. I got some goodies, something for me and something for you, because Chanel, BLEU DE CHANEL Parfum is not for me, it's for you guys. So the next time you see me, I'll be talking about this in my home studio. Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you're just as excited as I am of the brand new release from Chanel, BLEU DE CHANEL Parfum. Let's get into it. Leave a comment right now and let me know if this is on your to try list or if you love any of the fragrances from the BLEU DE CHANEL line. They have a toilette, they have a EDP, and now we have this version. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I purchased this yesterday. I guess I should show you the packaging, the wrapping that it came in. This is the box and it's plastic. Underneath, do a once around. Now let's open it up. I'm too excited. Oh my God. BLEU DE CHANEL is one of my favorites from the House of Chanel. I love it. I love it for men. I love it for women. Box is really nice. Okay, now you can see a clearer picture of it, kind of shiny on this side, matte on this side, and if you notice, it has like gold writing instead of the regular white writing that the BLEU DE CHANEL line would have. Let's open her up, or him up. Here he is, looking just as charming and handsome as ever. You see the writing is kind of like a taupey color. It's not the usual white. The cap insignia at the bottom. This happens to be a 3.4 ounce. Let's take a look at the cap, the sprayer. I love the caps on Chanel. I actually really love the caps on Chanel. Like, they have the insignia on the top of it, and if you've ever noticed, you could see the insignia in the inside. Before I spray this, let's get into a quick note breakdown. So as I look at the Chanel website, it says that this is supposed to be the most intense version of BLEU DE CHANEL. It's supposed to be powerful. It's supposed to be refined. It also says that the parfum for men reveals the essence of determination. Okay, Chanel. An aromatic freshness opens, lingering on the warm, addictive fullness of cedar and sandalwood from New Caledonia that sweeps throughout the intense woody fragrance. So the time has come. Let's go ahead and spray it. I can smell it a little bit and I love it. I just know I'm gonna love it already. I'm sorry, you guys. So I'm expecting to smell mostly sandalwood and cedarwood, and I hope that there's remnants of like that freshness that the EDP has. Let's go ahead and try. It's intense. Intense it is. Wow. I'm gonna spray it on me. This will be my scent of the day, and I'm gonna let it rest on my skin, and I'm gonna come back in 5 minutes. All right, I am back. I don't even know where to begin with this. This is a warmer, richer interpretation of the EDP. I'm getting really nice moments of beautiful sillage. Sometimes when we wear parfums, we worry about that because they just tend to wear very close to the skin. Not necessarily the case with this fragrance. I am getting beautiful moments of sillage. It's like hitting me in the face. In my opinion, the Parfum version smells very similar to the EDP. However, it's just richer and it's just warmer. And it almost gives me the feeling of if Chanel was trying to make this Parfum version niche, like a niche interpretation of Bleu de Chanel. It has a presence to it, so you're still gonna get that Bleu de Chanel feeling. It feels really fresh, certainly not as fresh as the EDT or the EDP, but it does have that freshness quality to it. Let's talk a little bit about versatility, because I feel like this one is certainly not as easy to wear as the others, just because it has this intenseness to it and it feels more woody and warm. So for me, it just reads or smells as something that's a little bit more important, something that I would pull out only on occasions where, you know, I'm doing something significant. I feel like if you're someone who loves the EDP, which I love the EDP version too, that you would definitely love this one. It almost feels like a more adult, a more grown up, a fragrance that you would want to buy your father, someone who has more of a mature presence to them, which I like. You know, I don't want to walk around smelling like a teeny bopper. No offense to the teeny boppers out there. At the moment, I can't speak to longevity and how long it will project off the skin. You'll have to stay tuned to the review for that. However, I could say that this might be one of the best Chanel fragrances for men ever. If you're a fan of this channel, then you know that I love and adore the EDP. Love it. Not sure if I love this version more. I would have to wear them side by side and test. Let's get into the price and let you know if it's worth it. A 1.7 ounce of this bottle, the Parfum version, is going to cost you $120 plus tax. This is the 3.4 ounce and I spent $150 plus tax. Roughly it came out to around or about $165. Quite a jump from the other versions. For Bleu de Chanel, the EDP, a 5-ounce bottle of that bad boy will cost you $150. So it's the same as the 3.4 ounce of the Parfum. A 3.4 ounce is $115 and the 1.7 is $90. Now for Bleu de Chanel, the Toilette, the 5-ounce bottle, which is so crazy to me. The 5-ounce bottle is $128. The 3.4 is $95 and the 1.7 is $75. Right now it's about 2 hours later and I wanted to share some of my final thoughts with you. As I somewhat expected, the Parfum version is wearing rather lightly and closer to the skin. Not necessarily a bad thing. However, when I go outside, because I stepped outside, I needed some food to eat. When I was out there, I got some wonderful moments of sillage. The best way I could describe those moments are a sweet woody smell, almost like a velvety, smooth sandalwood scent. For me in that moment, it had a sensual sort of feel and I liked it, but it's very chill, you know? It's kind of like a stealthiness to this fragrance that the other two do not have. I'm thinking probably the balminess from the cedar wood and the velvetiness from the sandalwood. Either way, the two are like a match made in heaven. So far, so good. I could definitely feel a video coming on which is the best of the three. But really, it would just depend on you and how you like to wear your fragrances. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know if this is on your to try list. And once you get your hands on it, please leave comments and let us know which is your favorite and why. This will be so helpful for all the guys out there who are considering buying this one. My final verdict, I believe it's worth it. As someone who loves the EDP, I'm not mad at the Parfum version right now. It's my scent of the day, and oof, Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if it's your first time here. I love fragrance. I post videos about it because I just, you know, I love to smell good. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can be notified when I post videos here. Love you forever, you guys. Make sure you look in the description for merch, and I will catch you in the next one.